Did you know that garlic can cure back pain? More than 80% of adults have some experience with back pain. Typically, that pain isn't caused by any specific disease or serious injury, it just happens when some movement strains the muscles in your back. If you're looking for a natural remedy for back pain, you might try garlic, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can help with back pain. It sounds crazy, but one 2021 study in evidence-based complementary and alternative medicine demonstrates that consuming at least 400 milligrams of garlic a day can dramatically reduce lower back pain in as little as 12 weeks. Including garlic in your diet. Add garlic as a seasoning on most foods. Garlic complements any savory dish, so stock up your spice cabinet with powdered and minced garlic that you can add to dishes and sauces you already make. This adds an anti-inflammatory boost to any meal. While fresh garlic gives you the most anti-inflammatory benefits, prepared spice forms are also beneficial. Garlic has diallyl disulfide, which helps block the effects of pro-inflammatory molecules in your body. Eat raw garlic to get the most benefit. While you'll still enjoy some anti-inflammatory benefits from garlic in your food, heat does cook down the beneficial enzymes. Try having a couple of cloves of garlic first thing in the morning and see if you notice a difference. Combine garlic with apples, parsley, spinach, or lemon juice to avoid garlic breath after eating raw garlic. If you can't handle eating raw garlic, you might take a supplement instead. Garlic supplements are available online and wherever herbal and nutritional supplements are sold. Talk to your doctor before you start taking a garlic supplement, especially if you're taking other medications. Garlic supplements can interfere with the effectiveness of medications and other supplements. Eat other anti-inflammatory foods in addition to garlic. Include at least 4 to 5 servings of anti-inflammatory fruit and vegetables every day. Food with anti-inflammatory properties, including garlic, help reduce the inflammation in your back so it hurts less and heals faster. Avoid or limit foods that cause inflammation. Rub in garlic oil on your skin. Fry 10 cloves of garlic in 2 fluid ounces, 59 milliliters, of coconut or sesame oil. Heat the oil to boiling, then decrease the heat to low and drop in the cloves of garlic. Stir occasionally and let the cloves simmer until they're brown. If you've chopped or minced the garlic, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before frying it. The enzymes need a little time to start working. Strain the oil into a small glass jar and wait for it to cool. Strain the cloves out of the oil. Unless you are going to eat them immediately, discard them. Set the jar on a counter until it's cooled to room temperature. Apply the oil liberally to parts of your back that are sore. Smooth the oil into your back, massaging the sore areas gently. If you can't reach the parts of your back that are sore, get a friend or family member to help you. Leave the oil on your skin for up to 3 hours. There's not really specific guidance available as to how long you should leave garlic oil on your skin, but you do want to allow it to soak in to get the maximum benefit. After about 3 hours, though, you're not likely to get any additional benefit. Take a warm bath or shower to rinse the oil. Wash the oil off gently with soap and warm water. A longer soak in warm water can feel especially soothing on your sore back. Repeat daily as needed for back pain. While there hasn't been much research into the topical use of garlic and garlic oil, it's generally safe. If it provides relief for you, feel free to use it every day or whenever your back starts giving you trouble.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,